In this short lecture, we will learn how to create a JSON and how to validate it. So let's get started by reading out the syntax JSON has. As it says, the data must be represented in a key value pairs. Second one, there is a curly braces around the objects, and in the mid of it, between the key and the value, there is a colon. And the square brackets are needed whenever we need to create an array that can hold the elements, hold the list of items. So these 3 points we must keep in mind while creating a JSON. So let's get started, and I'm opening a notepad++. We are making a JSON for a country, like for let's say three of the countries having their names, having their country codes, and let's say having their codes. Like India has code of IN. So let's get started with that. So first of all, it is very mandatory that we start the JSON in between a curly braces because it's basically a JSON object. So JSON is represented within curly braces. So we are creating curly braces first. Second point was that there must be separated uh, by the key value pairs. Let's say we have first key, that is countries, consisting of n number of uh, countries. Like we want to represent country India, we want to represent any other country like Nepal, like France, any of you can say. So first, in a double quotes, we have to write country. So we must also keep in mind the tab spacing between everything. So now for creating a list of countries in which we are giving three countries. In this list, in this array, we are giving three countries. Okay, so let's get started with the first one. For easy explanation, it is recommended that all must be in a proper alignment. Since it is a notepad++, it is a little tedious task to align it in a format manner, while in other codes like VS Code, it's automatically there. So first we will say key and a value pair, and then we will insert a comma to separate one value with another key value pair. So first of all, we want to name one country, and let's say India, and we also want to say what kind of calling code here is used. So here 91 is the calling code here in India. So 91. Since it is a number, it doesn't need a double quotes. Then we can also have a boolean value like is it democratic or not, is democratic. So it's true, and since true also is a key value, it is a value, defined value, so it doesn't require double quotes. Next we can say what is simple ISO code. So the code of here is IN in capitals. So yeah. So we are done with the first country. Let's go to the second one. For that, tab spacing in this. This I think so. I have given only uh, single spacing, single spacing. Instead, it requires a tab spacing. This must be kept in mind. Like, let's say in this one we are not giving a tab space, so we will check whether it's valid code or not. So not writing it again and again, just copying from here to here. Okay. So next country we can take Germany. And calling code of Germany is 33 and is democratic. Germany, for Germany, what we use, GE, I guess. DE, not GE. Next, I have taken values for France. And its code is, sorry, this is 33 and this is 49. The calling code is 33 for France. Yeah. For France, I guess it is FR. Okay. So now let's check whether this code is a valid one or not. So just copy the whole, Control A and Control C, then open up the Google Chrome. Yeah, Saudi Arabia it is. So enter JSON validation. Yeah, JSON validator. Just type in here. In the first link, JSON lint, the JSON validator, you must go to this site, paste your code here, and just enter validate JSON. And it says that it's a valid JSON. And it has automatically, as you can see, it has automatically corrected the font of our JSON. Okay, let's say we have a comma here. Okay, this is the end of our list. We have 3 of the countries, and at the end of our list I'm trying to enter another comma. That means there is one another object there. So now if I'm going to validate, then it will go to show error, that is parse error in the line 19. So it was expecting string number. So by this error result, the we have some common errors like expecting string number null, the same error that we got here. So they have given why this, probably the reason would be that you have an extra comma at the end of your list. So this is the same case. In the end of our list we are having an extra comma, so we need to remove it, and then JSON gets validated. Some more common errors are expecting a string because you have an extra comma at the end of your collection, like here you have. Then this is done. Then enclosing a collection keys and codes, you're not having a proper format. Okay, make sure that you follow the JSON very carefully and properly. Um, that's all. How to check it. This is a very good site that I found. The another site is also there, but they do not, try to format your code in a more proper manner. So this is one of the best I have gone through. You can also suggest if you have gone to any of the sites. So thank you so much.